For this exercise, we'll find the area of a circle with a diameter of 18 centimeters. We'll use 3.14 as an approximation for pi. Let's first write the area formula. The formula for the area of a circle is the area A equals pi times r times r. Now, looking carefully at the circle, we do not know the radius right now. We're given the diameter. But the diameter is twice the radius, or the radius is half of the diameter. So for r, we're going to substitute half of 18, or 9 centimeters. In fact, I will write that over to the side. The radius is 9 centimeters. I'm going to be very careful that we don't accidentally substitute the diameter in this formula. We're going to replace pi by 3.14. That is an approximation, so for this step I will use an approximately equal to sign. Pi is approximately 3.14. R is 9 centimeters times 9 centimeters, substituting 9 centimeters twice. Now this is equal to 3.14 times 9 times 9 times centimeters times centimeters. So I multiply 3.14 times 9 times 9. Carrying out that multiplication, I would get 254.34. And centimeters times centimeters we write as square centimeters. So the area of the circle is approximately 254.34 square centimeters.